go today hiking the Middle Fork Trail to of the Vital Creek out to the Third Stream Crossing, which is 2.3 miles in. We'll be going to the waterfall today. One thing at the beginning of this trail, there's not much shade. So, as you can see, just show you a couple more of the signs. Pretty much, we're already, once you get right here, you're actually almost in the wilderness. So, there's two other cars in the parking lot today, which were both of them. One of the people are just leaving right now. The other one, I don't know where he is, but the one group of people, just him and his girlfriend, were out here camping, actually just here at the parking lot last night. Neat spot. So, as you guys can see, here it is. Cool. As you guys can see, right behind us over there, the parking lot, you see how quickly we move up already. So, we'll be going that way. Just wanted to show you guys that rock slide area behind me. Here's a view of the canyon now. Middle Fork's down there. You can see here, trail comes up, goes along here, sort of evens up in this spot. You can see where they're at back there. You can see the trail down there. On the other side of that little hill is where the cars are parked. And if you come over here, there's a trail right here that goes down. And you can go down to Stonehouse, which is right in there. Right back in those trees over there. Sort of see the trail. That's Stonehouse. So, I'll keep checking back in a little bit for you guys. Show you more of the trail. You guys have seen my other videos on here, but yeah, we're going up, taking a few new people to the falls. Just showing you this little part of the trail that got washed out last weekend in the storm. You can see pretty bad washout here. Could you just imagine seeing the water flowing off that down? It'd be neat to see, but when we come up here, and there's one more washout. They're ahead of me now. The group I'm with, Andrew, his wife, and Casey and Alex. This spot right here. I'll show you guys. This tree got blown down, fell down recently. We got this right here, more washout. So, all from the storms last weekend. Look at those views, guys. Well worth the view. Go back up there. Very cool. Look at that view of the canyon. Look down there, you got the water flowing. Stonehouse is right in there, guys. And there you go. Since I've been back here last, this is new wilderness sign. I always wondered where the wilderness actually started. So here it is, Cucamonga Wilderness. Nice new sign. Looks great. No graffiti on it yet. Nothing like that. As you guys can see right here, the trail's been washed out from that storm last weekend. So need some trail maintenance. I'm gonna take a picture and send it in to the Forest Service. Let them know where this is at. Yeah. You guys can see, hopefully the sun's not too bright. So that just washed all the way out. they're going to probably have to bring the trail down there and then up. This little area to stop and rest on the way up. Used to have logs here to sit on, but they got washed away or somebody took them down, so they just got the rocks to sit on. Here's the first view of the canyon. If you look straight across, that's the canyon where the Middle Fork or Third Stream Crossing falls off. It's right in there. So come back. It's a great little viewpoint. If you get up here early enough, sometimes you get to even see the bighorn sheep right up along there. Perfect day, not a cloud in the sky. I've got a little breeze, and if you guys can see behind me here, get a good view. Look at that view down the canyon. Awesome views. There are a lot of old trees up here. Lots. This one, that one, that one. These missed the fire. So, Middle Fork of Wattle Creek right here. Look at what the flash floods do right there. Hey guys, this is the canyon for Third Stream Crossing here. We got the waterfalls way up a ways. But the water comes down. There used to be some pools. It looks like a lot of those pools got washed out. It sort of sucks because there was wild trout in here. So we'll see if there's any wild trout up further. So you guys can see the canyon right through here. Awesome. You guys look at this. Look at this right here. Was where right here, this used to be a big pool that we used to fish at. It's no longer here. Here's another pool right here that used to come all the way to right here. But now it's filled up. Sad. Okay guys, here's another spot that used to have fish. This used to be a giant pool right over there. We used to, right off that rock, Andrew would be fishing right there. I've got video of it. Andrew would fish right there, and right in there at that rock, I was videoing underneath, and we'd fish. The fish were on that side. That pool was gone. That's horrible. So sad. This pool is still deep enough where it might have some fish. I'm looking. Not seeing any, but that pool and then that pool right up there. And there's the waterfall. Oh, it's flowing good. Guys, here we are. The waterfall for Third Stream Crossing. Look at that. How cool is that? The water, you can see, is not as deep as it used to be. But fish survived. I threw the other pool down there to the rock and saw some fish move. There's only a handful of fish left. This might be one. It's a very fragile population of fish. Just be careful out there. No fish and nothing like that. But look at this. You got the springs right here coming through. Going down. Look at that. That's flowing great right now for a drought. This is a drought year, guys. A drought year. Look what we've got. Amazing. Here we go in the falls.
Go for it.
You gotta dunk your head in.
Gotta lay back in
You go that far. And we got shrinkage.
The smaller it gets, the more likely the fish will bite it.
We got a natural spring right here. Goes right down. Look at all the moss. Drink water right from that moss. It's a natural filter. It's a lot of water right now for a drought year. Almost back to the car here. As you guys can see, trailhead's right there. We'll hike. On the way back though, there's no shade, so you're getting beat by the sun the whole way. About 3 miles in, 3 miles back. Lots of fun as always. Just be prepared for you are climbing up the whole way there. And on the way back, you're just all downhill. So right now my ankle and knee on my left side bother me a little bit, but I'll be okay. So we will see you guys out here soon, I hope. If you guys want to come out on a hike, let me know. We'll set something up. So, until next time, I'll see you on the next adventure.